Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. Look what we got here today. It's finally out, the C10 Chevy, the 1972 from Losi. But, and stay all the way to the end. I want to reveal a secret about what this car is. It is not what you think it is. Stay tuned. So, without any further ado, if you already saw the unboxing, so you know already this vehicle. And this is the new Team Losi. It's actually Losi, they don't call it Team Losi anymore. Lowrider. It's a lowrider truck. It's a street truck with very good traction tires, but it's brushed electric. And this is a GM official licensed vehicle. So it's kind of GM give them the approval to do that. And let's see, so this is how it's look all around. Look pretty impressive, but pretty simple at the same time. Now you do have on this vehicle nice chrome grille with working headlight and working kind of turn signal that there is only on the front. They don't work on the back because they did not put them. Now let's open this and show you what's going on underneath it. Those are tiny clips, so be careful. If you saw already my other video about it, you're pretty familiar with this vehicle already. I just decided to do one more because some people said that I was missing some information for them. So when you take it out, be very gentle. And then those are removable. Those are just like plastics to protect from scratches. I highly recommend to leave it so you're not going to ruin the body. Inside you have the LED lights, of course. Very good system. Actually, the problem is going to be very fragile, so don't hit anything. The body is kind of flat black in the inside, and they even clear the windows. So those windows are clear tinted and they're not actually painted black with kind of silver sticker on it. And good details. They put the details for the handle over here, the keyhole, and actually all the emblem. It's very hard to see. It's super tiny. This sticker for the turn signal here, and on the back, of course, the Chevrolet emblem. Now, when you look at the body itself, of the frame, this is where it's getting pretty familiar. And I know I'm not mistaken, and I know that some kid's gonna jump and tell me, yeah, but it's Losi, okay, so Poindexter, let me explain. This vehicle is a Vitara. A couple months ago, they used to have a vehicle called Vitara. Same exact vehicle, but under a different name. I think what they did, they just bought the rights and gone with it, and you have the same wide tire and on the back, same tires on the front, the same even intake for the air for the motor, and this is brushed electric. The same suspension, short suspension on it, plastic suspension, and this is very upgradable. This vehicle is great for a beginner that want to go and get later to speed run, because you can actually put a brushless system in it and, believe it or not, like probably reach about 70 miles an hour easily, but not with what there is on it. You have your steering servo. It's actually with a servo saver that it's actually really good. It's working super smooth and there's not a lot of play in it. You have the small front bumper, and of course you have the towers to put body, so you can later put a different body, because they used to have also like Camaro SS that used to come like this, so it's probably something that they're gonna do in the future. I'm not sure about it. And then you have the plug here. This is the plug for the light, so you have to pay attention to it. Now you have a battery bay here, but this vehicle not arrived with a battery or a charger, just with a remote, so please pay attention. You're gonna have to buy a 2-cell LiPo for it, or a nickel metal hydride, whatever your budget is fitting. The wheels are actually really cool chrome wheels. They're different front and rear. The rear one a little bit wider. The glue actually pretty good, so it's very hard to pull them off, so when you try to do that, they're not really going anywhere. Front one, they're a little bit smaller, and they're not as deep. If you look at here in the frame, it's not as deep as those guys, and it's actually, they did very nice with the anodizing chrome on this. Overall, this vehicle is really nice. There is no sway bar on it, and it's too bad because actually the turner there, it's hard to see, but right there is a place for a sway bar that they did not put in it. Overall, this vehicle is really pretty, I have to say, and it's available in orange and in the black, and I think that they're both beautiful. It all depends what color you like. Some people like both of them, so they bought both of them. Now, it's called a lowrider, but it's not hydraulic lowrider. It's not popping up and down, but I'm gonna find a way to do that because the parts that this thing have a potential to actually make it, at least the front, going up and down, and I will do that and show you guys how to do it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so you guys can learn how to do that. I'm gonna show you because it's a very cool trick to it, and it's super simple actually. But when you're going to change it to a lowrider, it's not going to be anymore like a very fast truck, just so you know, because you cannot enjoy both worlds. You're going to lose a little bit stability while we're doing that. That's it for now. We have those right now available in MotoStyles shop. We're still in the same location, 17540 Chatsworth Street in Granada Hills, and we probably will be here until December 15, 2021, right before Christmas, and then we're gonna start moving away. So if you have any question or comment, write it below. If you need to reach us and you're trying to get to the shop, you can give us a call. It's 818-453-2538 if you're planning to come and you want to see if we're still here. Those vehicles are not so expensive. They're going for around $260 to $300, depending where you buy them. And please buy them in your local hobby store. Pay a couple $1 more, get the service. They will explain to you everything. Don't make the mistake buying them online, paying $10 less, and you're not going to know what to do with the vehicle, and you're most likely going to damage it. See you on my next video. I'm going to do another video on about the other color, and just so you guys can see it. Bye.